In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily turn on or turn off screen distance alerts in your iPhone. So that's quite simple and interesting. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have watched the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. So first of all, you will have to head over to the settings, and once you are on settings you will have to scroll down and you will have to go to the screen time, and once you are on this page you will have to click on screen distance, and here is the screen distance option. If you want to turn it off, you will simply have to toggle this option off, and basically this option is helps to reduce eye strain and the risk of myopia in children. And screen distance will alert you to hold an iPhone or iPad with face ID at its recommended distance. So that's the purpose of it. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.